Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first you have to find and select some screen that you would like to capture. Let me open the calendar, and for example, if you would like to show someone the plans for November, simply tap on power key and volume down key all together, hold them for about 3 seconds, and that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been captured. Now you can find it in your gallery, but before we will open it in the gallery, let me show you the second method of taking a screenshot. So let me, for example, capture the battery level. So let's open the battery, and if you would like to show someone that your battery is set, it's 63%, then slide down the upper bar, locate screen capture icon, click on it, and that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made. Now let's open the gallery photos. It's over here, and now go to the albums. Here you will notice screenshots, and both of them are included here. So now you can share it with your friends, you can edit it, delete it, or do whatever you want to with those screenshots. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.